Problematic rapper Kanye West is said to be visiting Russia later this year. Putin's Prudy spells fume over letting the rapper and his naked woman in. A fierce row has erupted in Russia after reports claimed Kanye is heading to Moscow in the autumn to perform a gig at the Luzhniki Stadium with his controversial wife Bianca Censori by his side. Famous Russian producer Yana Rudkovskaya was at the heart of the rumors after fans suggested the graduation artist would be at her birthday bash next month. Rudkovskaya shut down the idea of Ypsilon arriving soon but did reveal he would be turning up to the Kremlin stronghold later in the year in a shocking statement. She said, "He will indeed come to Russia, but in the autumn, not in the summer. I am involved in this." Despite Kanye's Russian fans being overjoyed at the blockbuster news, it did cause fury for others, including those in President Putin's inner circle. Vlatez Moral Guardian Ekaterina Mizulina, 39, slammed the idea of Ypsilon stepping foot in her country. Not only did the Putin crony brutally blast the rap icon, but she also went after his often unconventionally dressed wife Bianca Censori. Mizulina lambasted the couple saying, "We don't need any Kanye West with his naked woman. We have enough of our own naked parties." Censori has already made herself enemies across the globe since arriving onto the scene as West's secret wife in 2022. The 29-year-old Australian architectural designer worked for Kanye's Yeezy brand before they started to date straight after his very public divorce to Kim Kardashian. But she has since become known for her unconventional and skimpy outfit choices. Censori has been seen walking barefooted through a casino, wearing only a pillow and even just as a true raincoat. She continues to make headlines for her raunchy looks. As well as hunting Censori, Mizulina also referenced Russia's recent naked party endemic where Putin himself was said to have been left fuming with the number of X-rated events popping up across the country. Putin's celebrity Godov KHTR Ksenia Sobchak, 42, a major TV personality, presidential candidate and ex-Playboy model, was forced into make a humbling apology for attending parties. Party boy rapper Vazio, 25, was even jailed and fined for petty hooliganism and gay propaganda after a picture of him wearing nothing but a Balenciaga sock on his manhood was made public. Mizulina is the head of the Safe Internet League in Russia. Her job is to censor the internet and fight prohibited content in Russia under the Kremlin's orders. She has reportedly been growing close to Putin, with some outlets even suggesting the pair may be romantically linked. Despite the digs at Kanye and his loyal wife, some Russians are actually overjoyed with the legendary Chicago rapper coming to Moscow. Since the bloody invasion of Ukraine over 2 years ago, Russia has been a ghost town of Western celebrities. Many have morally refused to travel to Russia after Putin and his government continually abused their power to cause lethal chaos on their neighbors. Pro-Putin TV presenter Tina Kandelaki labeled the decision to bring in Kanye for a headline show as a must, but even made a comment about Censori's fashion. She said, "Kanye will soon be with us. Our Russian brands are already sewing swimsuits with a fleece for the wife of the outrageous musician." The rapper is even believed to have created his own social media account on Russian social network VK. In the first post on the app, the user who goes by Kanye West _Z wrote, "I am closing Instagram account and open my VK account." Kanye has struggled to find any paid work in recent months after a controversial 5 years. Promoters in Madrid, Berlin, Cologne and Munich all turned away shows from the life of Pablo Star. A music insider claims it will be very hard for the controversial rapper to perform in Europe, despite maintaining a solid fanbase. As Kanye's team also found issues in Asia, Australia and the Middle East to get him a gig. His reputation and the controversies in the last 5 years are the main reason for this, the source explained to the US Sun. Now almost no companies that manage arenas or stadiums want to allow him to do shows on their venues.